Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel, and also in this video you should be able to see the number that you can WhatsApp us for training. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover now is the Prescot Street to Cardinal Cap Alley. So let's look into this. So let's see where the points are. So we've got this green and the red point, so we're traveling this way, right? So let's zoom in and just click on this, come down here. So arrow is this way anyway, so you come here, go this way, keep going straight without touching the side lines, and keep going straight here, straight from here, straight. So we can go through this one, that's no problem because it's a London Bridge that's on top of us, so that's no problem. And again the station, no problem. So you keep going straight, then you come down here towards this road, and you can see the point already there. So this is quite simple route, but has been in the exam a few times. So here our point is there, so that means we can get into this street here, and then from here we can go up from here, and then from here you can see the arrow this way, and then you can simply go up from here and you can get to this point. So you can see this is quite short and simple. Just a couple of things. This one here you can go through easily because that's on top of us. We are on this Lower Thames street here, and also this is the train station sign or symbol that you see here. So so that's okay as well, right? So this is the most direct and the quickest route. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.